All right, let's talk about something that costs companies billions of dollars and, drives the rest of us absolutely bonkers. We're diving into the hidden financial wreckage caused by bad AI in customer service. And trust me, it's way more than just a little frustration. It's this huge, invisible drain on value that most businesses don't even see coming.
Now, this is part 3 of our 5-part deep dive into this incredible report from Virtualization Options LLC. We're zeroing in on Chapter 3, and this is where things get really interesting. Forget the theory. This is where they actually put a hard price tag on all that AI-driven damage. So if you've ever wondered, what does a terrible chatbot actually cost a company? Well, you're about to find out.
I mean, come on, who hasn't been here? You've got a super simple question, and you're just stuck in this digital purgatory, this endless loop with a bot that keeps saying, "I'm sorry, I don't understand." Ugh, that feeling? That's not just an annoyance. It's actually the first domino to fall in a huge economic chain reaction.
Okay, so here's our game plan. First, we'll look at the true cost of AI, which is all about psychology, not technology. Then we'll get to the fun part, the shocking numbers that really quantify the damage. After that, we're going to expose something called the efficiency delusion. And finally, we'll see how getting this wrong is pretty much just handing business over to your competition.
So where does all this damage really start? Well, it's not on a spreadsheet, not at first anyway. It starts inside your customer's head. See, a bad AI experience completely changes the game. It takes a customer who feels like they have a relationship with your brand and turns them into someone who just sees you as a cold, hard transaction.
In this shift, it's the absolute core of the problem. Think about it. On one side, you've got your relationship customer. This is your golden goose, right? Their lifetime value is insane, like 300 to 500% higher. They'll forgive you if you mess up, they'll tell their friends about you. But a bad AI interaction shoves them right over to the other side. They become a transactional customer. And this person, they have zero loyalty, they're all about price, they demand perfection, and they will drop you in a heartbeat for a slightly better deal. Okay, so that's the psychology. But how does that turn into actual dollars and cents? Well, this is where the research gets, frankly, a little scary. Let's put a price tag on turning your biggest fans into your biggest flight risks.
Let's start with a big one, $156 million. That's the hit to your brand value. And we're not just talking about a couple of angry tweets here. This is the slow, painful erosion of your reputation. That thing you've spent years, maybe decades building. When a customer feels like a machine treated them badly, they don't blame the machine. They blame you. The trust just evaporates. Then comes the next blow, $94 million in lost market share. This is what happens next. Those customers who now see you as just a transaction, they do exactly what you'd expect. They walk. They go find a competitor who makes them feel valued, and poof, all that revenue just vanishes.
And it's not just customers running for the hills. The damage is internal too. The report found a $67 million spike in employee costs. Just think about it for a second. Your human agents are now the cleanup crew for the AI. They're spending their entire day dealing with frustrated, angry customers. I mean, that leads to massive burnout, people quitting left and right, and you're stuck in this expensive cycle of hiring and retraining.
So you add all that up, and the grand total is just staggering. For a typical big company, we're talking about $1.665 billion in value, completely destroyed over 5 years. $1 billion. Every single one of those annoying chatbot loops is a tiny shovel digging this absolutely catastrophic financial black hole.
Okay, so that number just begs the question, right? Why on earth do smart people in big companies keep making this billion-dollar mistake? Well, the report has a name for it, the efficiency delusion. It's this dangerous trap of looking at the wrong numbers and man, is it costing them. So here's what it is. A company looks at a spreadsheet and sees, hey, an AI chat costs us $3, but a human call costs $8. We're saving $5 every time. Hooray! But what they're not seeing is that crummy $3 AI chat just destroyed a customer relationship worth thousands of dollars over the next few years. It is the classic definition of saving pennies while burning fortunes.
And here's the number that just blows the whole thing wide open. For every single dollar a company thinks it's saving by using a cheap, bad AI, it's actually destroying $22 in long-term value. A 22-to-1 ratio of destruction to savings. That is the hidden tax, the brutal math behind this delusion.
You know, this quote from the report just says it all. Destroying concentrated value, customer relationships, to reduce distributed costs, service interactions, inevitably produces negative returns. What does that mean? It means your customer relationships are like a bar of gold, concentrated value. Your service costs are like pocket change, distributed costs. You'd never melt down a gold bar to save some pocket change, right? But that's exactly what's happening. The math just can't work.
So let's talk about the final piece of this puzzle, because this isn't just an internal problem. When you treat your customers this way, you're not just shooting yourself in the foot. You're basically rolling out a red carpet and sending a handwritten invitation to every single one of your competitors.
Just think about the kind of customer base you've built. You now have a giant group of people who are actively looking for alternatives. They're scrolling through competitor ads, just waiting for a better offer. They'll switch with zero friction, no loyalty to hold them back. You have no buffer, no defense. You've forced yourself into a brutal, race-to-the-bottom fight based on nothing but price.
Let's just call it what it is. Misusing AI like this means you are literally doing market research for your competition. You are handing them a silver platter with a pre-qualified list of prospects who are unhappy and have already mentally checked out from your brand. It's not your customer list anymore, it's their target list. Which really brings us to the one question that this research forces every single business to ask itself. When you look at your customer service, are you measuring the cost or are you measuring the value? Because in this rush to adopt AI, it's so easy to just count the pennies you're saving per interaction while totally missing the billion-dollar value of the relationships you're setting on fire. We'll get into how to actually fix this mess in our next part.